was here almost my whole life. Greece is a small country and Athens is a very, very big city for us. It's half the population of Greece. If someone comes here in Athens, I think the first place you should visit, of course, is the Acropolis. Or you can choose going to Anafiotika. Anafiotika is both a coffee shop and a neighborhood. During summer, we prefer going next to the sea, of course. And if we're too lucky, we choose the island. We really love food. The first, of course, is Greek souvlaki. It's the main thing here. It's our street food. Just need the Greek pita. You put any meat you like inside, and potatoes, tomato, lettuce, onion, and tzatziki. Yeah, tzatziki. Raki is a Greek alcohol drink, about 40% alcohol. You like to party, that has many bars and also clubs. If you don't live in Athens, if you're not grown up here, you will think it's a jungle. But we should take care of our city in general.